Brianna. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I install this wig, this curly bob. Please don't play with me. But it's by Sogoodhair. I'm gonna show you the box. It's by Sogoodhair. A link to this wig will be in the description and the details. Also my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this install. We look so dumb, but we look so dusty. Yeah, we do, y'all. It's okay, y'all. I tried to film this install video so many times, but everything keep happening. Like I said, I filmed this before, so all my footage got lost. But basically, they had like a bag right here. It had some really cute lashes. Y'all know hair company be trying it with the lashes, but their lashes were actually cute, and they gave me like a band. They gave me like hella stuff, y'all. I really recommend. While my best friend washing this, I'm gonna do the ball cap method. So we're gonna start with my wig cap. It's finally in my color. Hey, this thing is small. It's not my head, y'all. Well, it is my head too, but it's wig caps that fit my head with no problem. I have other wig tutorials in the description, well, on my page. Go check those out if y'all want to see more. So yeah, we're gonna start by cutting out the ear. Now that I got the ears cut out, we're gonna take our got-to-be. Y'all know this is like the guy in wig installs, like. So I'm just taking it and spray it around my hairline. My best friend is currently in there washing my wig. I think I wanna pluck it a little bit more. So just take it around the border. Rub it. Make sure you rub it right after you spray, because it will drip and just mess up everything. Like. Y'all, this wig is coming off soon. I just had to get this video recorded, because like I said, I recorded this video twice, y'all. This is my third time. Once this is done drying, I'm gonna come back to y'all. So she trying to wash it. It don't look like she know what she doing, but
girl, it's not really coming out.
Yeah, I'm about to pluck the lace right quick while this is drying. I look stupid. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna pluck it just a tiny bit. Let me show y'all how this wig looking. Brianna, it's been drying for a little bit. I think it's time to cut it. Don't y'all? So we're gonna finish cutting this. Just pull it back. I know. What am I giving?
Egg.
Giving very much potato. I don't know if this is good. Let me go in the mirror, because it be saying one thing in my camera and a different thing in my mirror. So now I'm going to take some foundation in my handy dandy buffer brush. Y'all know the vibe. Just y'all know. Y'all don't know the vibe. Foundation I'm using is Skin Wonder. I got it. I think at Target. Now that we foundationed up our wig cap, I'm about to go get an alcohol pad and wipe the corners. It's still like up a little bit, but I don't really have time to fix all of that. I don't think it's gonna make that big of a difference. I'm going to take some glue. I'm not using no fancy bow hole or none of that today. This is just some Wonder, what is it? This is some Wonder lace bun I got from my local beauty supply. It worked real good. I'm only doing one layer. I've been doing one layer with this glue for the longest, and it's just amazing. Not really amazing, but you know, get the job done. I'm just rub it with my finger. So currently it's like a bluish, purplish color, and they said when it's clear, that's when it's dry. So I'm in the middle of filming my YouTube video. Tyler really drove over here for me to take his pictures, so it's straight. So while it's drying, I'm about to be outside taking his boy pictures. Like, John on this nigga, y'all. Y'all, so my wig can't slid back a little bit. It's alright though. Hopefully. Huh? So you put it. Oh yeah, I got tweezers though. So you just lay it. So just lay it in a glue and then comb back. When I tell y'all this makes it extra secure, some got to be on the lace. So I'm just making it a little more secure. This is the silk scarf they sent me. It say Sogoodhair, and it's like this really pretty blue. All right, so I'm done spraying the got to be. Now I'm about to tie it down. So I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes, I think. I don't know how long I'm keeping this on, but when it's done, I'll come back. Come on my shirt, y'all. I'm just putting this on because we about to go swimming and I'm about to take it off. So I just got out the shower. It's been like what, 20 minutes? Yeah. And so alright, so now the extra lace, y'all see right here, I'm about to cut it, but it's looking good. It's looking like scalp up here. Oh, I kind of like the side part. So currently I'm cutting the lace off with this eyebrow razor. Off this lace right here. Alright, so I'll cut off the extra lace. Looking at it. Shake's a mess! Yeah! White, like, I don't know why they did. I'm about to put some foundation in it. It's just this right here, like the glue still right there. And I don't know what to do about that. Alright, so I'll put out the edges on one. This part you can either do a mousse or whatever you want to use. Today I'm using Bomb Glue by She Is Bomb. Tie it down. So I'm taking off the wrap. Period. Please don't play. Please don't play with me. So I'm about to take this hot home and go over the border.
She said because her dad.
So now I'm about to wet it and do some mousse.
Damn, you got to be right.
Two, nigga? Y'all, this is looking good, isn't it? Yeah, let's wait till I do the mousse and shit.
Hey, y'all. Oh, like a...
So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna add some more water and crunch it so these curls can pop some more. Okay, yeah, it's starting to look good. Y'all, this wig is looking bomb. I'm I'm gonna spray a little got-to-be right here.
Yes. Oh.
Bro.
I swear I did though.
Please stop playing with me.
It's not your damn hoe. I want to know something. I'm gonna get it for free.
Cause y'all know I like the lump. Not this big, of course, but I like the lump look. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. Alright, so this is the final look. Y'all look so cute. Period. I installed this wig with a middle part too. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all gonna see it. But yeah, this wig is really cute. I slayed this. Don't play with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at annasimone. On the screen, in the description, everywhere. But y'all, this wig is so cute. Alright. Peace out.